Is mid-century modern kind of your thing? Because if so, I think you're really going to like this video. Hey everyone, it's Terrence Richardson with eXp Realty, your Atlanta realtor. And in this video, we're touring a mid-century modern restoration in Smyrna, Georgia. Now this property features over 6,000 square feet of livable space that was beautifully redone between the main level and the finished basement. It's 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, features lots of lush green space. It's just absolutely beautiful. So I'd like for you to come on this tour with me, and if you'd like to take a look at this house or you'd like to take a look at any others, I'd love to be on your team. My contact information is in the description below. On to the property tour coming up right now. So what did you think? Did you like this one? If you like these kind of tours and you want to see more of them, please leave a thumbs up because that helps me gauge which properties to focus on based on your feedback. And if you're moving to or within Atlanta, I'd love to be a part of your team. My contact information, if you'd like to reach out, is in the description below. If you want to watch the next video, click over here. Never want to miss another one? Consider subscribing. Click over here. Thanks again for watching and see you on the next one.